Hello and welcome to Limon Tropics. In this video we will discuss the latest on tropical storm Maon called the Florita in the Philippines. Let's start with the latest satellite imagery, and as you can see, the storm has left the Luzon and now is in the South China Sea and is trying to reorganize. Now, what is quite concerning with this is that the system didn't really weaken that much in over Luzon, and it will probably take about 6 to 12 hours for it to recover until it will be going full steam ahead towards China, and then a typhoon landfall is possible in there. Let's look at the latest forecast going from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. As you can see, the system currently has winds of 55 knots according to them, and is expected to slightly weaken before intensifying in the South China Sea, and then make landfall west of Hong Kong, and then move towards the west, towards Indochina. Looking at our latest forecast track, we expect the system will already start to intensify right now, and we think the system will make an 80-mile-an-hour landfall in the southwest of Hong Kong, and then move inland. And the latest indications actually suggest that the system may actually not move inland here, and instead pass over here and then re-enter this bay, this gulf thing, and then maybe it could have a chance of re-intensification, because this Gulf of, I believe this is the Gulf of Tonkin, does wonders for tropical cyclones, and it can actually help them re-intensify. But then it for sure will move inland over China and then will weaken. Looking at our rainfall forecast, we can see the system is now expected to go farther south than our original forecast. So rainfall accumulations probably won't be that severe in Hong Kong, probably 3 to 6 inches, 75 to 150 millimeters. Perhaps isolated areas could see up to 9 inches. Now, widespread areas of 6 to 9 inches are possible farther southwest of Hong Kong, and isolated areas of up to 12 inches could be seen there. But an enormous area of 1 to 3 inches present along Taiwan, Luzon, Hainan province of China, most of southern China, Vietnam, and the wind forecast also is quite similar, but we estimate that Hong Kong will probably not only see now tropical storm force winds. We expected earlier that it could get maybe perhaps 50 knot to 64 knot winds, but that possibility has significantly decreased now. But of course the forecast can change, so please watch out for that. And we introduced a 64 knot to 96 knot wind area, so that is very concerning. Looking at the GFS model, we can see the system is expected to make landfall in about 48 hours, about 36 to 48 hours in this region of China, in the southern part of China, and then move towards the west. Perhaps could re-emerge over here and re-intensify some, but that is uncertain. And then of course dissipated moisture may end up going into the Bay of Bengal, but we will see. And I will compare this to the ECMWF model, which also shows a similar scenario. The system moves here and makes landfall in about 2 days. So thanks for watching. We'll see you I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.